Hi, gentlemen. It's Shauna here. I'm at the property on Nightingale Star. I've just finished a walkthrough of the entire property. It's just exquisite and beautiful. It's a gated community, private gated community of about 13 homes. This one happens to be at the end of the cul-de-sac, which has some beautiful views behind. There's the house right there. It has a 4-car garage, and it has an outlet for an EV vehicle in the one that's straight ahead. Custom pavers all the way up. The landscape is really nice because it doesn't require a lot of maintenance. It's very low maintenance, indigenous to the area. So actually the whole property is pretty low maintenance, especially the landscape. We're walking up the front entry. One of the nicest properties I've viewed in a long time. Through the gate. Front courtyard. Couple of water features. Nice stonework on the outside. Front entry. Okay, in the front door, we've got straight ahead the big great room, family room. Kitchen to the left. Down one hallway, you've got the formal dining and the master down there, the garage and the laundry. And down this hallway, you have 2 bedrooms and an office. Family room has custom everything. The entire house is custom done. They spared no expense on anything, including the furnishings, which it can come completely furnished. You can see beautiful views. The house comes with a fully automated Control 4 system that runs speakers, TV, security system, thermostats, everything. The kitchen overlooks the family room. After they bought the house, they put $300,000 into it. Built-in Sub-Zero, microwave, double Wolf ovens, Wolf 6-burner gas stove, a Cove dishwasher. These are Taj Mahal countertops, very expensive, and a granite sink. All the colors are beautiful that they did in the house. The entire house has cameras all the way outside to the guest house, front, back, inside. The floors are white oak throughout the house, and Karastan, where there is a little bit of carpeting, Karastan carpeting. Here's your pantry. Okay, I'm going to go back to the front door. I do want you to see the view out the front. You can see it's quite beautiful with the mountain behind. It's still overcast and very misty today. Still a little bit of rain. All right, so to reorient you, you've got the family room to the right, kitchen to the left. Now we're going to go down this hallway, and you're going to see a big formal dining room. The kitchen again on the right, a wine bar off to the left down there. This hallway takes you to the garages and to the laundry room. You've got custom melee, some people call it Mela, some people call it melee, washer and dryer. All the appliances stay. You've got built-in sink and cabinets. And then in here is your Cat 5 wiring, your alarm system, all the electronics that go with the house. The on-cue, you're probably familiar with that. Here's the alarm system, Honeywell. Then here's the garage. Custom built-in cabinets with soft close. They redid the floors. The floors are beautiful. They do not walk in the house with shoes on. This outside little bev fridge would stay. So you've got a 2-car, 1-car, and then another 1-car over here. Here's your little workshop. The house has central vac. He's got stuff for tools. There's your EV plug-in. That's a freezer that would stay. And then that door goes to the backyard. And then they have a few tools here and there. Okay, here we go. Back in the house. Okay. Passing the laundry room again. And around the corner here is the master. Kirstein carpeting. He said he spent more on the padding than the carpeting itself. He got the highest. It's really soft and nice to walk on. Built-ins there. Nice views. A door that goes out to the pool and patio. You can see the shades on the left here. That's just a regular shade that comes down. And then there's an example of the shade, and then on top of that are blackouts. So he has shades and complete blackouts for the master bedroom on every door and window, and they're electronic with a remote control. Then into the master bath. You've got his and hers, or hers and hers, closet. Never run out of space. And then his. Okay, the tile in here is a beautiful neutral porcelain. You've got marble on his and her vanities, and then marble in the shower. Of course, everything's custom. Controls are when you walk in, you can turn it on, so you're not walking all the way over to turn it on, and you've got 2 dual heads. Shower heads, and then you got niches for shampoo, and then a complete bench all the way across to sit, because I know you shave your legs, gentlemen. And then nice soaking tub, and all the way up you've got your beautiful tile, subway tile, and all the way around. And then custom cabinets. Then you also have a separate little potty room for her and one for him. Okay, so you got his and hers everything. Then back out, we're going to head to the other side of the house, split floor plan, which is the most desired. Hope I'm not making you dizzy. I also did want to show you one thing in the family room here. The fireplace is gas. So down in the cabinet here are the brains to the operation, which is done off your cell phone. It does the thermostats, it does the alarm system, it does the TVs, has a special remote control. So you are good to go on that. Then off the family room here, beautiful office, nice views. And this is a complete built-in office space, but could be a bedroom because you've got a closet straight ahead and a door that goes out to the hallway, which also goes to the other bedrooms and bath. And all the bedrooms are en suite. You can put a fold-out couch in here, shut the double doors, and have a bedroom if you need it. Then we go down. You've got this hallway, and if you go right to the left here, here's another bedroom, really large, en suite, has its own slider out to the pool. Little area there. Again, everything's custom. Okay. You've got a beautiful shower, walk-in there. Its own separate little potty room. And then really nice closet. This is their daughter's bedroom. Okay. Another look at the vanity. House has lots of light, even though it's overcast today. All right, we're going back out, down the hallway. Another bathroom. Has tile all the way up the front. Custom cabinets. And let's get a close-up on that. You can see it's that new type of tile that people are putting in and that they love. This is also all the way up to the ceiling. And it's just a walk-in type of shower. And this one services the office, which can also be a bedroom, like I said, which is right here. That's another view looking out to the family room. Then you've got one more bedroom. They use this as an exercise room. Also, really nice size. You've got vanity. Custom finishes throughout. You've got the little potty. Subway tile shower. Again, pretty close to just a walk-in. And then again, another walk-in closet. Okay, let's head out to the guest house and backyard. Back down the hallway. You've got one of the bathrooms, another bedroom. This is another little seating area off the kitchen that has two little wine bars, two little wine places for wine coolers. And a seating area. Okay, out we go. All right, we have an outdoor dining area. Straight ahead over there is the entertaining area, Ramada, and guest house. Over here off the master, you've got a little fireplace if you lift the lid, and a little seating area. Straight ahead you have a heated spa with a nice descent water feature, which you said you liked water features. And then, of course, you've got custom pavers and high-end fake grass that you don't have to mow. And once again, the entire backyard is pretty indigenous to the area and everything's on a watering system, but it really is low maintenance. I'll go this way first. That's looking back at the house. Over here, you've got 3 vegetable gardens that they grow vegetables in. You've got an area where you can go upstairs and you have a deck up there, which you can just sit up there and have margaritas or your beverage of choice and enjoy the views and the sunsets. The pool is also heatable if you want to heat it, and it is a play pool, so there's no deep end or diving. It's just a sheer relaxing, float around and enjoy pool. And if we head this way, and you can see you have nothing really behind you. It's all called NAOS land, which stands for Natural Area Open Space. You can see that you have a custom commercial grade misting system built in. You've got a gas fireplace. This is the guest house on the right. Tongue and groove ceilings, custom ceiling fans, TV, lots of electrical and plug-ins, and something you might enjoy. Here's your pizza oven where you can make fresh pizzas. The owner said it was a lot of fun and it was delicious. You've got a big full-size sink. There's your view. Huge built-in barbecue. Trash and recycle. You've got a warming drawer. Place to open your beer. And then a place to put ice and you can ice down cold beer or wine, whatever your choice of beverage once again. And then the whole island has electrical in it. And of course, granite and custom tile finishes. There's also surround sound inside the house and in the ceiling in the Ramada here. The main house is about 4,100 square feet, and the guest house is about 1,200, making it a total of around 5,000 square feet. So now this guest house is amazing. It's fully inclusive of everything. You could actually live in here. You've got lots of doors, as you can see, your own kind of private patio, access to the pool and everything. It's got another wine cooler. It also has an alarm system and taps into the main house. This is your nice big family room. Then it has a full kitchen with little bar area, full-size 36 cubic inch fridge, 5-burner gas stove and oven, toaster oven, all custom features once again, big sink, and also dishwasher and a microwave. Dishwasher in here is a Frigidaire. That's Frigidaire Gallery. Then you round the corner and you've got walk-in shower, full vanity, cabinets, and stack washer and dryer. Walk-in closet. And really nice big bedroom. Another slider door and windows. This floor looks like the white oak that's in the house. However, and it matches perfectly. However, it's actually porcelain tile, so it's very durable if you use it as a pool cabana or pool house and people track in and out of here to go to the bathroom. It's not going to ruin any wood. It's porcelain tile. I will be sending you a list of all the upgrades and what they've done, and lots of great information, and so that you can make a smart decision on an offer if you choose that you like this. It's a stunning home. See you on the other side.